Hi, it's Neil from Mighty Little Green Machine. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I don't know if you can see this or not, but we got a lot of rain last night, so it's pretty wet down here. You can see what I got done yesterday and where I pulled the dirt out, so we're definitely gaining on that. I got probably a couple of more hours of digging the bank up over here, and then I'll have the swing to get around the corner. And then I got to clean up a little bit here. But we're close. But today what I'm going to do is go after that stump. I got a couple of stumps there. I'm going to try and get them both out. I can't get down here because it's too wet, but up there it's pretty solid. So I want to widen the road there. So I'm going to go after those stumps. Let's get started. Okay. Probably need to be back there more. This should be good and soft though, since it rained so hard last night. And because I'm on the actual part of the road that I already have stone, it's pretty solid here. Let's see if I can. Nope, got to go farther out. Hope what I can do is without too much damage to the area. There's a shock. We have a rock. Oh, there's a couple of them buried right up against that stump. As soon as I start getting some money coming in, I got to get that ripper bucket. I think that would help a lot. Found a good one, I guess. There we go. Should have timed this. A good one right here. Come on. There we go. I got to get this one out of here. This one's definitely a strong one. Gotta go farther out. This is why taking the whole tree down is nice. I've learned. I'm going to do that wherever I can going forward. Because the stump comes out so much easier when it's still attached to the tree and you get all that leverage. A lot of roots on this one. It's funny because this one was dead in the middle too. High water table. So, trick is because it's the curl in and out, but the bucket is stronger than the lifting. So, just trying to use that to break the roots and then pull them out. Still pretty strong in here. Okay. I got a good sized rock right there. It's right my way, of course. Still frozen chunks of ground, even after being warm for a couple of days and getting all that rain yesterday. It's 50 today. Another rock. That's good dirt. We'll leave that up here. Getting it. I've still got a few in the road that I want to try and take out, but I I don't want to commit right now because every time I go into one, it seems like they're much bigger than they look. Well, there's one out of our way. I need to move to somewhere where there's no rocks. There's another one. There's some more. Hole looks a lot deeper when you're sitting up high. Starting to break it away nice. Really need to get rid of this rock because this spot's killing me. Now I'm too close to it, I think. I'm going to have to move.
Yeah, right in my heart. Red hair, white skin, blue-eyed girl. Wait for us while we change the world. My tired bones still fight for her. My red hair, white skin, blue-eyed girl. Oh yeah, the bombs are falling, lighting up my sky like the 4th of July. You're the apple of my eye.
I'll show you how I do this. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it works for me. So I have to work within, obviously, the limitations of the machine. So I come out farther till I can start breaking the roots. And then once I've got them broke them outside, I just keep working in and they'll start breaking off and picking the dirt off the root. And just starting to loosen it up. But the whole stump's starting to move now, so I'm going to take you off time lapse and put you back on regular because I hope to have it out in about the next 10 minutes. See if we can get that done. Got a root right here. See if I can break this one off. Just kind of picking away at it. You can see it moving. It's starting to loosen up all the way around. Got to figure out where I just had it bit. I had it bit in here somewhere and it started to pick. There it goes. Getting there. Yeah, it moves a little more each time. See if I can go out and get some leverage on this. Just kind of wiggling it back and forth like a loose tooth. Problem I have right now, I think, is I've got a giant rock right in front of the backhoe, right there, and I really can't get these front roots out. Oh, we got more in here. There's another one. Okay, let's try this again. Wants to come. See right. Oh, it's going so nice. Just working it around, being patient. Yeah, see, the biggest problem that I have is the rocks. If I didn't have the rocks, I could dig it better. I thought that would be more leverage, but it seems to pick it up better closer. Somewhere over here, there's a root that I can pick it up with, and I just can't find it right now. Come on, baby. There she goes. What a yucky mess. So it's pretty much out now. Oh, I see a root over there that's making us a little unhappy. Let's see if I can get it. She's out for all intents and purposes. Yeah, it's pretty much free. It's free all the way around now. Now I just got to get it out of the hole. But before I do that, I want to take some off the root ball. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I think that's nice. We're going to call that good. So it was about an hour, maybe a little less. Not bad at all. What I'll do is I'll come back down later and get some of this root ball off and then flip this up out of here, push what I have here into the hole. But I got to get some solid fill to offset all this water, get that done. But I have one more stump over there. You can't see it on the other side of the backhoe. And then this part of the road's done, other than fill in. So we're gaining on it. But just goes to show you, these machines are tough. You just gotta work their limitations and be patient and keep working them. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully you learned something. I enjoyed having you guys out here with me. And I will see you next time on Mighty Little Green Machine.